out of bed, no tricks make me bad. I can't get out of bed, yeah, tricks are bad. I can't get out of bed, no tricks make me bad.
Alright, we're just getting this cover off so that we can get into the motor and rebuild it. Alright, let's see how it looks under here.
Woo!
Also, it doesn't look bad.
Got the clutch
Does
plate
not look
off.
bad at all.
Look how clean that is. Show him. Show him how clean that is.
Dude, she's fresh.
Look how fresh she is.
Nothing's broken yet.
Except
Let's see what the transmission did to this bad boy.
At least there's still lube in there.
Okay, so no, that's not the right size, I'm assuming. Yeah. Great. Now this is gonna be the interesting part. Let's get a ziplocky.
Alright.
Just to not lose anything, not make it as stressful.
You gotta put it in the bag. Can't lose anything in the shop, right? You can't. Oops. I only made one little mistake. Holding two phones at once. We're gonna lose that in a second.
Okay, now let's
We'll find it somewhere.
What size that is. So, what do I have up there?
I think it's an 8,
It's probably
10.
yeah. There we go.
Is it a 10?
Yeah.
Yeah. I figured. Getting clutch springs out.
It's definitely handy to put the film it so that you don't mess anything up, and you know where everything came from.
Tip 101.
Yeah.
I recommend filming everything that you do so you can go back and see what bolts go where.
Or at least take a picture.
Yeah. I'd prefer a
Video.
video.
Yeah. Okay, let's see.
Here comes the clutch.
It honestly doesn't look bad. It doesn't smell as bad as my K10, that's for sure. It looks actually good in there. There's
Let me show.
some oil down there. Doesn't look bad in there. The clutch plates look good.
Tell me what you guys are working on. Watching YouTube or what?
It's
Down there.
a little bit rusty. Well, she was sitting in shop for what, like 7, 8, 10 months. I skipped 9, but whatever.
But just look at this piston.
She's a little bit worn,
Look how,
especially on this
look how
side.
broke she is.
Yeah, I was at Albany doing a race, and in the middle of the race, I was just full throttle, probably 5th gear on a straightaway, coming into the turn. And then it just, I shifted, it kind of bogged, so I shifted back down, and it just locked up, and it was good for a couple kicks, and then it just seized. And then I pushed it over the side of the track, and then the guys are like, oh, yeah, you blew up your dirt bike, and I'm like, what?
I know, I think I know what the problem is. There's no motor in there.
Yeah. We did this in, like, what, 2 days?
Yeah, 2 days.
And realistically, that one day,
At least we're
I
not
really didn't do
paying
anything.
shop money, hours-wise.
Yeah.
$700? Nope, not happening today.
That's not the right size.
That's 8 mil.
And this is the right size.
On my Kawasaki and yours, it's always 8 mil. The basic parts.
Yeah.
That's why I was like, yep, that's a 10.
There we go. Let's see how it looks under this.
Filming on 2 phones. I think that was just
Oh,
the
there's
seal.
oil.
No, that's cool.
Or coolant. That's what I meant. I did not mean oil.
Just get a napkin. Here, I'll get out of your way.
Yeah, there's always more oil. Let me, whatever. I'll just push it off to the side. I don't know why I just did an accident, but whatever. think it let all of it out already. Oh, wow.
Oh.
Here's a little...
That's old coolant for you guys.
Yeah, that's pretty
Here, let me-
rusty.
Look at that.
That don't look great. And that's not how it's supposed to look.
No, not at all.
Let's just get that out of there. It honestly doesn't look bad.
Maybe just put that in. Oops.
You know what sucks is I left all my paper towels in the truck from my race. Or practice.
Is it locked? Truck?
Yeah,
I'm
probably.
assuming. Look how crazy it looks in there. It's
Honestly,
actually pretty cool.
dude,
It's like the new oil slick look. That's sick.
I think it might be good. It might just be the piston.
Yeah, I think
Because someone explained it to me, which they might be wrong, but they said the gear is aluminum. Or the gears aren't, but the piston is. So it might have not hurt the gears. So I'm praying.
Yeah, wait. Pray for us, please.
Yeah, pray that my dirt bike's not ruined. And that's not that.
Might need a little bit.
I'm just gonna pause and put everything together. Make sure I'm not losing anything.
Yeah, that's probably a good idea.
Good.
And recommend filming everything. If you got a second guy on deck.
Thanks to you.
Yeah.
PNW MX Dreams.
Yeah.
PNW
No,
underscore.
MX videos.
MX Videos.
I know,
Okay.
I keep on messing it up myself too.
Um,
I don't know. Do you guys like MX Dreams or MX Videos more? Comment down below.
okay, so there's some down there. And also, I would definitely recommend using a drill unless you don't have one.
Tip that up.
Yeah. Because it makes the job so much faster.
Okay, ready for that to come off.
I think we only have one more.
And at my house, I have a torque wrench, by the way. So
Okay, yeah, we got one in the garden shed. Or
Probably-
it's not really a garden shed, but that's what my...
I'd
grandma
recommend
wants to
using
call
mine.
it.
There's some shots that are better than others. I'm trying to keep it both equal, so if you want, you can go watch it on my channel or MX Trends videos.
Okay, I'm just gonna... Now, I should have I forgot what you call it, but it splits the engine case, but I don't have one, so we're gonna work with what we got. I'm just gonna use a hammer to tap it very lightly.
Because you don't want to damage it.
Yeah, that's what I had to do to get the cylinder off and the top of the cylinder. Use this hammer. She's pretty stuck.
I wish we had an actual mallet.
Yeah. I think we do have one. I don't know where it is.
I think it's a little stuck on there.
Yeah, no joke. Alright, we're gonna pause the video and we will start it again once I fix it or
Not fix it.
get it unbroken. Or not unbroken,
well,
but when I split the case.
We'll just keep it on.
Okay. Ah, dude. Oh my gosh, that's hard. See, my friend Doug, he said this would be really useful, and I think it would. Okay, I'm just making sure I don't have another bolt. Because that could... Oh, yeah, I do. I'm so stupid. No wonder it was freaking hard. Let's make sure I don't have another one. Yep, there we go. I think that's all.
Oh, I see it coming.
Yeah. Okay. This side, it's not as stuck as this side. Okay, so let's just... I don't want to, like, damage something because I'm forcing it. It's one thing I
The
definitely
only thing you're going to damage is the seals, which you're already going to get.
Oh, there we go. She's coming apart.
Come on. See the seal wiggling?
Here's the
Eyes are
power
accurate.
valve.
Almost there.
Yeah, I don't want to damage the gears inside of here.
Sorry if the shots are bad. I'm working with 2 phones here.
2 cameras. No, I'm just kidding.
Yeah, I wish.
Okay, she's coming. She's coming.
I might get a camera
There's a
soon.
little bit of oil coming out right there.
That's good though.
Yeah, that means it's coming apart. Oh yeah, I see. There's a little hole
down
on the bottom. So let's get that hammer again. Now that there's not a bolt, let's just.
It's a metal mallet. No.
Yeah.
In our minds. Trust me, it's not as loud in person because the microphones, they don't do justice at all.
Hopefully, this is my plans with this. Oh, dang. Yeah, there's some more oil for sure. Oh, there's something coming out. I'm going to have to get a paper towel. Yeah, there's definitely some oil coming out the bottom. I don't know if you guys can see that. There's definitely some oil coming though. Just try to pry it open. Come over here. The piston out of the way.
Comment down below if you're a mechanic. Give us some tips, cause
yeah,
we're getting there.
yeah.
Got a little bit of oil there.
Yeah, so hopefully I'm planning on, if this whole thing comes together and I can fix it really easily, I'm going to fix it no matter what. If I have to buy a new motor, I'll do it. I want this dirt bike to be my spare bike for the track, where I bring the Husky as my main bike, and then if that thing blows up or if it's not working right, or the carburetor is not working right, or whatever, this will be my main bike.
As in this one that doesn't have a motor in it, apparently.
Yeah.
Wish I had a stool or something.
Yeah, there's one over there, but it's pretty short.
What one?
It's my, like, one that can change in size.
Oh, no, not that one.
Has to be something. So right here, I'm also gonna pull this bolt out, because there should be some coolant under there, of course. Wrong side, shocker. Okay, so.
Is there no bolts underneath that you made sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm just gonna pull this off the shifter, get it out of the way. Is this? This table's a mess right here, that's for sure.
Just a little.
Is that the right size? Yeah.
If your table ain't messy, then you ain't working hard enough.
Or you just got it clean.
Yeah. Getting that shifter off.
Yeah, so that it's out of the way. Where's that? had a flathead somewhere.
You know that basket? That milk carton?
The milk carton.
The red one? So I can get some angle. That should just pull off.
Yeah, it's kind of stuck. Oh.
That came off around it. Yeah, there's one more.
And give me a break. This is my first time rebuilding the motor, so. So if I'm not doing something right, you can just tell me in the comments or something.
Or just yell at him for something.
Yeah, just yell at me, be mean.
No, it's not being mean. It's giving you facts, okay?
Okay, so we got this. I'm just trying to pull this thing open. Now the most of my life, I want an engine case splitter. There's a little something.
Oh, wait.
What?
You see down there? I feel like it's kind of holding it together.
Where?
Right there.
Right there?
Mm-hmm. I don't know if it's just
There's
me
so
or
many
not.
gears.
There's so many moving parts that,
These things are so complex.
especially the new 2023s.
Yeah. I just. I wonder. I don't want to ruin this thing, but. Oh, there we go. There's a little bit of movement. This was either smart or dumb. I don't know which one yet.
Oh, it's coming.
Yeah, I see it coming a little bit.
Just chipping it away, you know? Trying to get my hands. I wish I had one of those foam, like.
Oh, yeah.
It'd be a little easier.
Yeah, for sure.
What about this version? This spool?
Which one?
That gear? Do you think that's...
I think what I gotta do is just come down here and kind of guide little by little.
Trying to keep both of the screens in frame.
Yeah, right.
It should come out pretty good.
Yeah, we're at least, I know that I'm gonna definitely have to get a new piston, obviously. And, what do you call it, like the...
Gaskets.
Yeah, the gasket,
And seals.
seal kit thing. And I'm also gonna have to get new crankshaft bearings, because this thing...
There's a little bit of wiggle room. Sure.
Yeah, but up and down, it's dialed, but...
Just needs some
It's
new
not
bearings.
supposed to do that.
Nope.
Yeah, I just got Albany's schedule in today. Definitely gonna go to those races.
Yeah, hopefully my dirt bike's gonna...
Be dialed by then. Yeah, if you've been following his channel, he actually brought his dirt bike into the mechanic last week, right?
2 weeks ago.
2 weeks ago.
I just got a text from my dad a little bit ago. He hasn't heard any updates, so that's not good. The parts are on the way, they said. And I'm not really sure how long it's going to take. Hopefully, I can race at Albany soon.
Yeah, the first race isn't till March, actually.
Well, I can probably go to that one, but...
Yeah. Man, it's a lot of work to get this motor apart. Now I'm gonna text Doug and say, yeah, I understand why you were saying that now. Okay, so now all around we got it decently split. I'm gonna be so happy once this thing just comes apart.
There's pros and cons with filming with two phones.
Yeah. Oh, there we go. That's coming. Oh, she's coming. She's coming.
Oh, look at her!
Yeah, slowly but surely. How long have you been recording now?
21 minutes.
21 minutes of me just trying to get this thing open.
But please just watch the whole video if you want those watch hours, you know? And if you are enjoying, make sure to subscribe on both of our channels.
Yeah.
MX Trend 707. And then there's me, PNW _ MX videos. Go follow us both. And he has an Instagram too. What is your Instagram?
_ MX Trend _ I should have made it MX _ Trend, but I didn't.
It's alright. Still Instagram, right?
Yeah. It's because this stupid person stole my MX Trend.
Really?
And they only have, like, they barely have any, like, it's just dumb. It's dumb.
Wiggle that middle area right over there.
Which one? This one?
No. Down. No. Down. Yes.
Yeah, the thing, I kind of
It's
want
coming apart.
to get another one to put down here.
Your phone's in focus right now.
Yeah.
They're both in focus right now. But yeah. Thank you for watching. We really appreciate it, by the way.
Yeah.
It's
Hoping
okay.
to do some giveaways.
Yeah. Probably at 1,000, right?
Yeah,
Both of
1,000.
us.
I'll probably do a giveaway from my sponsor AOT, and then
Yeah, I'll
at 2,
probably do
and then
gloves.
yeah, and then
first.
at 5,000, I'll give away an Acerbis, if that's how you call it.
Yes, Acerbis.
Yeah, I'll give away a plastic set from them. And then Risk Racing, I'll give away a stand too, probably. Or whatever you
It'll
want.
probably go AOT stand and then
Yeah, then
plastics.
plastics.
But
Maybe
yeah.
every 1,000 we'll do a giveaway.
Yeah. And when we hit 10K, that would be sick.
Yes, sir.
We're gonna look back from like 5 years from now, and we're gonna have
Tons of
good-
subbies.
a good amount, and we're gonna look back at this video and be like, we were done at this.
Yeah. I could barely rebuild the motor back then.
But guess what? I'm
I still did
14
that.
and he's 12, so.
Give some slack.
Yeah, give him some slack. I'm just the good old filmer sometimes.
Yeah. This is so annoying. What if all of this,
Maybe try pulling it straight up.
like this?
It should come.
Yeah.
Because you don't want to pull from one side because it's pushing the other side down.
I kind of want to, I'm going to put this in here so that it keeps that much room. And then I'm going to get another flat head. What if I use my tire spin?
Holding phones for 25 minutes.
Yeah, that's a little bit of a workout, probably.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was out in my shop one day and I just decided, you know what? I want to rebuild that dirt bike because it's been a little bit, I don't know if I'd call it a goal, but I've been wanting to rebuild it for a little while.
A little bit of a bucket list.
Yeah. I've been wanting to rebuild it for a little while, so I decided, you know what? Whatever, let's just go for it. There's no pressure if I break it because it's already blown up.
Mm-hmm.
And I already have another dirt bike.
You want to take off the tools so I can sit down?
What? Oh, yeah, sure.
Because I can't do anything with 2 hands.
Yeah, right.
Thanks. I'll still film you.
Let's... This is pretty stuck. Has to be something keeping it together. Maybe if this is it, I'm gonna use that. Okay, so that could have been. Yeah, I don't think so, but maybe.
Just try it. Are you actually kidding me?
Was it?
Oh, I think it was.
I'm so stupid. It was.
Well, you can go yell at us in the comments. You guys
Yeah,
deserve
you can
it.
tell me that I'm so dumb that I took it apart.
She looks naked.
Yeah.
I'll tell you that much.
I'm
Plastic
just gonna
here.
keep these out of there so I don't ruin that. Oh, great. Okay, I'm just gonna inspect it. Because if it's all good, and the gears are all clean, I will be happy. Like, is there any... So, when I drained the oil, there was a ton of just metal.
That's because of the
spitting
piston.
out. Yeah, that was from the piston. Okay, now, what's the next step in
You need
this?
to get one of those magnets.
So, should I crack this to look at it?
You're gonna have to.
Oh, well. Let's just hold this.
I'm gonna bring over that.
That's pretty clean. Those are all clean.
The reason I'm filming with 2 phones is I don't want to send it to.
Yeah, and then it.
While you're over here, can you get the milk carton right there? Behind you?
That's it?
Yeah.
Yeah, 1 second. I'm gonna get my hands kind of clean.
Let's show us how we do it in the farmland. I'm in Crocs right now, so don't judge me.
Yeah. It's freezing cold, and we're in Crocs and slides.
In the PNW.
Gosh, I'm just gonna go get my napkins. They're probably in the truck. Hopefully the truck's unlocked. So, by the look of it, it's pretty promising. It looks like it's gonna be good conditions in the motor. It might have just been the piston and the crankshaft.
Can't get the license plate in it. I'll tell you that much.
What?
So they can't get the license plate in it. It's locked.
Yeah, we're gonna have to find something else to let the hand run. So I don't want to get my tools all dirty. Hey, there's a little bit of that. Oh, that's so gross.
I'm gonna get up here.
Dude, I kind of like knew it. It's annoying.
Yeah, me too.
Okay, I should have just worn gloves. Like, come on, man.
I'm sitting up here, guys. Look at this.
Yeah, if there's any mechanics and you guys got like a shop, like if I need,
Just give us tips, please.
Yeah, give me tips. And if you are a mechanic and you have a shop, then if you're a mechanic and you have a shop, DM me on Instagram or just comment your shop.
Same on my channel too. Just comment. I'll give them the comments that you guys send.
Yeah.
And next video, if you comment, shout me out. I'll shout you out. But
yeah, if I'm doing a live stream or something. Yeah, depending on how many comments there is.
we might do a live stream tomorrow because I have 24 hours.
Yeah, in 24 hours you can do a live stream. That was at, what time was that at? Like 3? 2?
Yeah.
This is so freaking
I
messy.
have therapy, so I don't know what time it is.
I don't think it's a 1 or whatever this is. What is this? Yeah, this is a 1. Oh, I thought wrong. I don't think my drill would be able to handle that. So
What time do you think it is?
Right now, probably 3. I got a clock over here.
3?
I don't know.
I'm gonna end the video, guys, and thank you for watching. Subscribe and go check out his Instagram _MXTrend_ and comment down any advice because we're gonna need it. Please comment if you're a mechanic because that's all we need. Mechanics, reach out. We'll read all the comments and peace out.